Well, hello there. How's I doing? Welcome back to another episode of Get Flicked. This time round, we're taking a break from the music to take a look at Speedway, motorcycle racing on a dirty oval. And that's about as much as I know about it. As you can see from the CMA here, that's calculated match average. I didn't know that. I just Googled it. The top three riders are pretty damn close. But due to Freddie taking part in more events, he's got significantly more points, which has certainly helped put his team, Wolverhampton, top of the table. Quick rundown here of the best riders for each team. Mikkel Beck appeared to have turned his season round after a bad start. And a few more results and stats for you here. Dropping down to the Premier League, things seem much more consistent in terms of appearances, meaning top people in the table tend to be top on everything. And we go international over in Denmark, where Darcy Ward returns from injury and kicks some serious ass. And you can see that whinging about referee decisions happens in every sport, it seems. They are only human. Russian Emil Sifutdinov. That right? Who knows? Looked to be running away with the title, but did he? No. No, I'm not telling you who did. You've got Google too. 2013 GP of Speedway. Josh Bates really wanted to win, don't we all? Says he'll come back next year and win it. Did he? Don't know. Can't be bothered looking. Actually, I did. He was an under 21 champion the following year, but that's not what this is. And on we move to the National League. Coventry at the top of the league. Adam Ellis, the most successful rider there. And lots of news from lower levels. And now it's pages and pages and pages and pages of stats and results, numbers that I don't really understand. Anyway, that's about it for this episode. If you liked it, there's a button for that. If you want to see more, there's one for that. It's called subscribe. If not, go get flipped. If the magazines themselves take your interest, there's a link down below to my eBay where I have a number of these for sale still. Be seeing you.